Hello everyone, I am Lalita Dhote, an English educator at Vidya Varidhee Mandir. Today, I stand here with a very unique perspective. I am not only a teacher here but also a proud parent. When we look at this school, we see a perfect blend of world-class facilities and grand infrastructure. But as a mother, I have realized that this school is much more than just its building. It is a culture of care. My daughter was in KG 2nd this year and is now moving to class 1st. I have seen a remarkable transformation in her. The entire credit goes to her teacher, Kosa Mam. She didn't just teach her lessons, she nurtured her potential with immense patience and love. What makes me feel most secure as a parent is the stability of this institution. Seeing teachers who have been dedicated to this school for 15 to 17 years gives me immense peace of mind. It proves that we build an environment on integrity and high moral standard. It is a safe haven where parents never have to worry about the atmosphere or the safety of their children. As an English educator, I personally witness how we focus on the communication skill of our students. We don't just teach them grammar, we encourage them to speak with confidence. I believe in holistic approach, balancing academics and personality development. All of this is possible because of our visionary guardian, our principal sir, whose watchful eye and personal attention to every single child ensure that the excellence is not just a goal but habit here. I am truly honored to be a part of this family where we don't just build a career but a character here. Thank you so much.